So we're going to do commas with names today, and most people almost immediately want to pick answer choice C here, right? So people always think that names that names always go in a set of commas, right? But names sometimes go in a set of commas and sometimes do not go in a set of commas. We can put a name in a set of commas so we put it in commas if and only if we can like X out the name, cross out the name, and still have a sentence, still have an independent clause that sounds fine, right? So let's try, sorry, I actually meant to say most people want to pick C or A, right? Because they both put the name in a set of commas, right? So let's try, see if we can, right? Name is in a set of commas. I'm going to see if I can literally cross it off. Remember on these tests that you can actually write on them? So you can like use your pencil, cross it off, read around it, whatever you need to do. Read through, see if it sounds fine, right? So if I say, economist won the Nobel Prize in 2008, that does not make sense. So I cannot put that name in a set of commas, right? If it was like an economist, Paul Krugman, won the Nobel Prize in 2008. That would be fine, because I could say, an economist won the Nobel Prize in 2008. But we don't have this here, so if I said, economist won the Nobel Prize, that would not sound fun, right? So A and C are immediately gone, right? Now, answer choice B puts a comma just after Krugman, right? So if I just put a comma after Krugman, right, I would either need an independent clause here, and then a dependent clause here, a dependent clause here, and an independent clause here, right? So on either side, I would need my independent clause, right, which is my sentence, right? So is economist Paul Krugman an independent clause? It's not. Is won the Nobel Prize in 2008 an independent clause? It is not. So answer choice B is gone. It would have to be answer choice D, right? What answer choice B would be doing is putting a comma right between your subject and your verb, right? So you don't want to put a comma right between your subject and your verb, because your subject and your verb, subject-verb, basically is an independent clause. So A, B, and C are wrong, and we're left with answer choice D. Economist Paul Krugman won the Nobel Prize in 2008, right? You could basically say that's like he won the Nobel Prize, right? Answer choice D.